Well, the question is can I actually make money from home? On a laptop, home computer, or a cell phone? And yeah, I mean, absolutely. Uh, this has been around for a long time, probably 20, 30 years at this point since the internet came out. But how do you do it effectively in 2023 when competition is massive? I mean, when you just go to Google and type in make money at home, what is there, a trillion? A trillion opportunities. Now, I've been around MLM and online money making opportunities pretty much 25, 30 years, explaining my white beard here. All I can all I can say with my experience is if you are going to make money at home, do it with digital products or with a certain company where you don't have to buy product to make money. You don't have to stock it. You don't have to ship it. God forbid you have to return it. Let the company do that and let the company mature enough, maturate and just kind of marinate to where they've done it for months and months, if not a year, to where their track record of shipping, handling, and returning is just impeccable. That way, if you do get in a business, it's not trial and error and people pissed off that you bought a certain thing and they didn't get their money back. And then all of a sudden the internet is just on fire with what a piece of crap they are. It's easy to tell fake reviews. Anyone can make a fake review. And this is how you can tell. Right after, halfway through, they say, yeah, but my opportunity is this, and my opportunity is that. Most people that get into an online money making opportunity, they're very dedicated, they're very loyal. And the dumbest thing you can do is to badmouth another company saying, gee, follow me, join my company. And then in 3 to 6 months, if they don't make any money, then they're on the shiny ball train doing another opportunity and another one. If you just type in someone's name, they usually have an Instagram or a TikTok or a Facebook page. You want to follow someone that is probably branded as an individual, a real person. Okay? I would rather follow a real person that shows real trips, real family, real activities, real pain, real joy. They admit humbly that they might have failed or did not make the money or had success in the beginning or the middle or the end of whatever opportunity they did. And they try again and they try again. Because no matter what, it's impossible to have success with every single thing you do in life. That goes from sports to asking a girl or a guy out on a date, or especially when it comes to making money. If all you see is just people positive, just about, oh my God, my opportunity is amazing and people are making all this money, it's just not true. And if it was, we'd all be millionaires, if not billionaires, right? So this video was just to say, look, if you're going to make money at home, I would recommend not having an actual product that you have to ship yourself or you have to handle or you have to return. Credit card processing, what a pain in the ass. I used to do that for 20 some odd years, and boy, you talk about a headache. So, speaking from experience of a guy born in the 60s, I ain't doing that stuff. I don't care if I was 18 to 25 full of piss and vinegar. I ain't doing that one. No way, Jose. So, with the company that I enjoy working with now, it's LiveGood. If you look around the internet, it is popular. It is viral. It is kicking massive ass. Why? Because I think the products, they're wholesale and they do work. It's health and wellness products, which is always in fashion. It doesn't matter about the economy. Even with COVID, people wanted to be healthier to fight off COVID. So what do? Protein powder and vitamins and anything they could to give them a better chance of not contracting COVID. So when it comes down to summertime, people tend to want to lose weight and look better. In the wintertime, people tend to kind of bulk up a little bit and they go to the internet and go, God, I need to get my crap together by January 1st because I'm going to make a bunch of promises that I probably am not going to keep. But I like leading people to a healthier life, and through nutrition and wellness, I can get behind that. I feel good about LiveGood when I say, go to pleasewatchvideo.com, because that's all I do. You go to the website, you watch a video, you make a decision, not me. My video can only do so much. Most people tune out within 10 seconds. You know the attention span on YouTube and TikTok and Reels. God forbid someone listens to a video over 5 seconds nowadays. But you want to look at our products, okay? Look at the wholesale pricing, add on a couple bucks for shipping. If you live in America, it's United States Post Office with tracking, all right? If you live in other parts of the world, that's fine. We have well over 225 countries that are buying just the products and gobbling them up, all right? Canada to Spain to right, oh my God, South Africa's kicking butt. The Philippines are doing awesome. India, of course. But anyway, our products are amazing. The affiliate side is how the title of this video, Can I Make Money at Home? I think you can, in my opinion, and that honestly is why I am promoting this product and this company, because I honestly think you can. If I didn't think you can, I don't need to make a couple grand and waste my time. I can do that with my other jobs that I already have. The trick to a company like this is everyone has a little bit of success. And that is addicting. It makes you feel good about yourself. And all of a sudden, this type of business becomes entertaining. You enjoy going in front of your computer or your cell phone and taking action of placing interesting things on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You're doing it anyway. So post with a purpose. I think you can do that. If you're watching this video, I know you can. You've got a cell phone or a home computer. You probably have $10 a month or $100 to take care of your membership for the whole year. I don't make any more or less if you do $10 a month or $100 a year. It just saves you money and hassle. If you got $40, rub them together, they're magic, because that's all it costs to be an affiliate with this company. That's it. There's no product to buy in order to make some money, okay? Honestly, our products are wholesale. They are not retail. There is no magic potion that's $20 that's only worth $6, okay? Our company survives alone just being a wholesale badass company for health and wellness people, okay? That's how I got involved. When I found that there was an affiliate section, that's where I said, you know what? I'm getting a little long in the tooth. You know, when you're my age, believe me, you cut right to the chase. I don't have time for bullshit. I'm not going back to college. I'm not going to sit and be addicted to learning for 6 months to learn how to do something so I can maybe not make money on the 7th month. I want money right away, and I want it to be affordable so that somebody that is less fortunate than maybe most of us that do have $150, you know, a lot of people, that's all they have. And if they got to believe into something, I hope that they do believe in themselves first of all, and they trust me when I say, invest that $150 into this company. Okay? Do I think you can get your money back? Oh yeah, you bet your ass. That's my number one concern, because if you can break even, you know, if you spend $40 plus $10 a month, that's only 50, or if you want to kick in the 100, do the 150, and you're set for the year. You can sit down and watch videos of training. It's fun. You're not going to college. You're not dressing up and or sleepy and tired, and you go to class and you can't even stand your teacher because they're boring. You got to deal with traffic. God forbid you live in Utah where there's snow and stuff in the wintertime that can really piss you off. But how nice is it? Make a nice cup of coffee, put on some badass slippers, and watch video. Get addicted to video. It's fun. You learn. If you don't know what you're doing, press pause, go back, watch it again, watch it again. It's awesome. I think it's really fun. Even at my age, besides watching YouTube videos of April Wine, Van Halen, and AC/DC videos, I love watching training videos. They are fun. I love it. And the best part is if you have to go pee, you can pause, get up, take a tinkle, come back, take a sip, and go back to learning. I know you can do this. I totally believe you can. I would not waste my time if I don't think you can, and you get people that sign up underneath you and so on and so on. Otherwise, it's a big waste of time. I don't need to waste any more of my time because I am running out. I know that sounds kind of sad, but when you're older, you realize time is more valuable than even money. Money's awesome. It buys you food, it buys you baby wipes, and it buys you Kleenex and chapstick. But I'll tell you what, you can never, ever, ever buy back time. So for me to waste my time knowing that I can make a couple bucks and then everybody just fades away into the sunset and I walk away going, oh my God, I can't believe I just wasted 3 to 6 months if not a year of my time doing video and promotion so that most people can just join and quit and maybe go join another opportunity and so on and so on. I hope you guys are fed up and you don't want any more bullshit in your life, because I think that when you study this program and look at how the pay is, it's worth your time, it's worth your energy. And I'll tell you what, once you get your first $25 bill and your first $100 bill and your first couple hundred, you're going to really feel good. You're going to go, I can do this. Because if you can get one person just to watch a little video and check out our opportunity, and they sign up on their own, you can do it again and again. Once you do just one, you will do two. You will do 10. I have no doubt you will probably do 100 and more. Because if you make this entertaining, you're going to do it. There's nothing better than being entertained. You're going to sit and go, this is actually fun. And screw watching all the extra Netflix stuff. Hulu can wait. Disney can wait. I mean, come on, really. So anyway, I really hope that you just trust me when I say this is really worth looking into. Invest in yourself. Let's get you educated on some cool stuff through video, and take your time and learn things the right way. But please look at our opportunity second. I want you to look at our products first. They're wholesale. They are nutritious as hell. All of our ingredients, all of our prices are completely disclosed. You can look them up. You don't have to join nothing, and then we open the drapes. Check out our products. Price compare on Amazon, go to GNC, go to Walmart. Everybody has some type of health or wellness product. And when you look at our product, you're going to go, dang, this is pretty damn badass. So anyway, thanks for watching my video. I definitely appreciate your time. And boy, I'll tell you, just go to pleasewatchvideo.com. That's my domain name. It'll go to a couple videos that you can watch, get some education about our company, and make a decision. And if you don't want to join, I totally understand. If you want to buy our products, awesome. And if you're not interested at all, hey, you know what? It was badass just to meet you here, okay? All right, you guys, make a decision. All right, I got another video right here next. Okay, you guys take care. Thank you.